This is the ProtoArc XK01, and it is a foldable Bluetooth keyboard with a numeric keypad, making it a compelling option for your mobile work setup. Weighing at only 10.5 ounces, the keyboard is compact and lightweight. Its tri-fold portable design features sturdy hinges that make it extremely packable and travel-friendly. The keyboard is also extremely thin, which is perfect for storing away in your bag. But for those who typically use thicker keyboards, this might take some getting used to. The XK01 is compatible with a range of devices, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, making it a versatile choice for users across different platforms. There's also no need to carry extra cables around because the rechargeable lithium polymer battery uses USB-C and a single full charge lasts up to 6 months. The battery life is exceptional and I don't really have to think about it. The built-in Bluetooth connectivity allows up to 3 devices to be paired seamlessly, perfect if you have a laptop and a tablet that you switch between. The scissor key switches are quiet keys which reduces noise when you type, even in quiet settings without bothering those around you. I also like the inclusion of rubber feet to prevent it from sliding around when in use. Since the keyboard is incredibly thin, I do wish that there were legs to make it more height adjustable for improving comfort and ergonomics, but I've been trying it with a wrist rest and find it really helps. The alternative option is to prop the keyboard on something higher up like a magazine. The keyboard's combination of portability, multi-device connectivity, and long battery life makes it a compelling option for individuals seeking a convenient and efficient typing solution for their diverse needs. To pick one up for yourself, be sure to use my link down below, as well as my coupon code to save on your purchase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.